Ayan sila. Kasi mainit sa labas. Ayan, nagpapa-aircon ang aking mga birdies. Ito ay si Amber. Say hello, Amber. Ayan. Si Kakateya. Si Kakateyo. Si Greenie. Ayan si Greenie. Si Blowy. Si G-Blue. Ayan sila, oh. Para malamigan. Kasi sobrang init sa labas. Kaya kailangan ay naka-aircon. Ayan. Palamigan natin sila. Ayan, ang aking mga spoiled birdies. The Kakatel, Baji, and my Amber is Parrot. Ayan, oh. Amber. Amber. Are you a good girl? Good girl, Amber. Come here, Amber. Come here. That's Amber. She is a good girl. Akyat na naman siya sa akin. Ayan, laging nakaakyat. Oh, ang Amber na yan. Hello, Amber. Say hi. Hi, Amber. Ayan, second day pa lang ni Amber dito sa bahay namin. What's that? You kiss me? Oh, kiss me. Kiss me. You kiss me. Amber. Kiss. Yan, oh. Hi, Amber. Where are you going? Go to your friend. Go to your friend. Oh, yung mga friend. Yan. No, the small birdies. You want to go to your friends? Huh? Are you doing? Ayan na naman. Don't eat my necklace, okay? Amber. Amber. What are you eating?